This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Ready to call home. Amazing floor plan. Hardwood, tile and carpet flooring. Updated lighting throughout. Magical backyard graced with relaxation, pergola, stone walkways and privacy fencing. Stainless steel appliances, granite kitchen tops, carpet in bedrooms and bonus. Tenancy subject to credit report, application and income verification and approval. Security/holding deposit required. Apply online. No smoking and no pets please. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.